What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. If you're new to the channel, where have you been all this time? Today we're headed out to Formula 1 Grand Prix in Montreal City. And if you're new to the channel, well, welcome. On this channel I'm currently modifying my 335 that we're in right now, and I'm planning to go on full bolt-on, everything crazy. I want to go with this car. Oh wow, the lighting is horrible. But anyways, about the race today, if you haven't guessed it, I'm in full Ferrari gear. Depending on where you go, however, this is 60 or 70, and this is 140 or 160. So, and that's Canadian dollars. So, go everywhere. Go between the racetrack and on Crescent, downtown, and everything. Do your shopping before you spend a dime at all. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking. I'm going and get my assistant right now. And we're gonna be headed off to the track. We're gonna be going by metro. See you guys there. So today's actually day 2. Today's qualifying round. Yesterday was practice round. Not much happened. I mean, I'm gonna show you right now. But basically, the car just went around. They did their practice. They did whatever they had to do. But besides that, there were also other little races. I think it was the Formula 1600 or whatever it's called. I'm not too sure. But this is my first time ever going to Formula 1, and I live here, which is odd. But I'm gonna be videotaping everything for you guys like a tourist in my own city, which is pretty funny. But anyways, it has to be done. It's 7:16 in the morning. There's no traffic. We're headed out already at 8 a.m. It's the pits, so we're trying to get there as soon as possible. Oh, and before I forget, I'm at Grandstand 46. It's one of the more popular stands for the Grand Prix in Montreal, so if you guys are curious, stick around, because I'm going to be showing you guys the view from 46 and comparing it to, let's say, 47 or the 15 or whatever. Anyways, let's get to the racetrack. We made it. What is it, 7, almost 8 o'clock. We're late, but the amount of people that are here is ridiculous. Yeah, we missed the metro.
Is it on?
Yeah.
It's not recording. Oh, it is recording. So in Montreal, it's been ugly for a solid 7 months. And it's finally nice outside. How excited are you?
These 3 days are probably the most beautiful days.
Yeah. So this is Julian's outfit, guys. Ferrari shirt.
Wrapping.
Early birthday gift.
That's right. That's right, with the carbon fibers.
On the cap.
Looking nice.
Jean shorts.
Yeah.
Adidas shoes.
White shoes. Big mistake, but it's okay. We're gonna go with it.
I wear sandals. I don't know if you saw my feet. Paramedic.
Okay, so we made it to the paddocks, all the way at the front. We walked. It was a long ass walk. Yeah, good walk. But we're right here. We're right at the front, where the starting line is and all that stuff. We see some cars getting ready. They're doing some tests and all that stuff. Down there's some hot lap cars that you could rent out and go racing in. So we're not in one, but we're making ourselves a part of Tribune 1. So you get a view of all the pits. They're literally right in front of you, and this is a hot lap car.
I wouldn't want to sit here.
Why not?
Don't move it.
We're literally that early, like there's no one here. So basically, note to self, or whoever's watching this, don't come at 8 o'clock in the morning. There's fuck all happening.
But on Sunday you come in.
Yeah, so, well, I mean, we're gonna find out tomorrow. Sunday you probably come here like
nice and early.
Right away, especially if you're general admission. You want the best seats in the house, so you want to sit right at the front, you know? fast changing tires, but I don't know. that was a solid 3 seconds.
Aerofoil wings on F1 cars are essentially upside down aircraft wings.
Aren't you, sweetie? The backfires on these Formula 1600s are retarded. I could only imagine how fucking crazy it's gonna be when it's Formula 1. Look at this. It's so fucking good. Okay, so up to take out that pushback.
Yeah.
So before my battery dies, this is grandstand 46K. This is seats 21, 22. This is what you see. So we're right here. We're at the turnpike. Down there is where the turnpike is. There's a jumbotron up there, or else you don't see any jumbotron. The restart's all the way down there. And yeah, this is all you get to see. At this point, there's like McLarens and GTs and everything. The Porsches too. They're doing the hot laps. So there's an Aston Martin Vanquish coming. Oh wow, beautiful. It's about 10 o'clock now. The race starts at, well, qualifying 2 starts at, no, 3 starts at 11?
11 or 11:30.
11:30. So,
We're early.
yeah, we're early. This is cool. This is really cool. Having fun so far?
Yeah,
Honestly, yeah, same. It's really cool.
Where's the Ferrari flag?
Represent. At this point, qualifying finally started. I think it has to do with finally made it through everything. Still walking though, yeah. We're headed towards our seats. Now there's the Ferrari challenge. I forgot what series that's called. Anyways, they're racing right now. Porsche was this morning, we missed it. Now it's Ferrari. We were supposed to go even to the pit lanes, but yeah, way too tired. Last night we had a little party. Anyways, today we keep prepared though. One thing I have to say, you have to bring something to sit on. You have to bring towels, lots of sunscreen, a cap for your head, sunglasses. She forgot her sunglasses. And yeah, you have the cap. It's my cap. That's why you have it. And what else? What else? Oh, lots of water. Yeah, the towels to sit on and to put on your shoulders, something, because or else direct sun all the time is you're gonna burn. What else? Yeah, it's really hot. It's 30 degrees now on the track. It's probably gonna hit maybe 60, so it's gonna be really, really hot. And it's like notorious every single year, every single Sunday. It's always, always, always hot. So come prepared, literally, and don't come here thinking you're gonna buy food because it's way too expensive. Bring your own food in a school bag or something.
And I got a Ferrari.
Oh yeah, and buy some Ferrari merch, yeah. all general admission. Like literally people everywhere, absolutely everywhere. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh wow.
AMG GTR.
Beautiful car. And here are the racers.
Crashed yesterday.
Yeah? All the phones, all the phones. Come on. Now they're going. Now they're fucking
I'm so excited.
Now it's fucking exciting. Now it's exciting, finally. No, it's okay. It's okay. Race is over, or we made it on the track through. There's like a little hole, little orange hole right there. That's where everyone just ran on the track from, jumping like animals. Anyways, we took second and third place. We lost it to Hamilton because of Ferrari, because of because of a 5-second penalty because of Vettel or whatever he did. He cut and anyways, whatever. We took 2 out of 3 spots on the podium, so that's it. That's a good race in my books. It's a very long, hot race. We're tired. Yeah, we're burnt. Bring a lot of sunscreen, towels. I don't know. Stay home.
Stay home. Oh, in the way.
That's it.
So cool. Look around us. Look what they see.
Yeah, it's retarded. It's really cool. Like, there's absolutely everyone on the track right now, minus the few people watching on the stands, watching Hamilton burst the champagne over everyone.
I'm sad.
Yeah, I know.
Ferrari deserves it.
Yeah, Ferrari should have taken that one. It's okay. Wow, there's just so many fucking people. Good experience?
Yeah, I love it.
Yeah? Alright guys, so that's gonna be a wrap. I hope you enjoyed this little vlog of Formula 1. I hope you got an idea if you're coming to Montreal to watch any of the Formula 1 races. Well, yeah, anyways, so that's what Grandstand 46 looked like. That's what you could have seen. Yes. Now we're gonna go back to the hole. I'm gonna end the vlog here. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Remember to drive what drives you. Subscribe, like and comment. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace. Say peace.
Bye. Discussions. I'm like, fuck it. Yeah. 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 Pray for better tomorrows. Pray for better tomorrows.